Are you looking for an easier way to add objects to your whiteboard without having to constantly upload or cut and paste? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can save time by creating your own objects and favorites list.
To add a new object to the items list, you must first upload the item, then right-click on it, scroll up and select Add to My Objects. Once you see an additional window open up, you're going to scroll down and enter a name. Make sure to save the image and click Create. After doing so, check the My Objects list, and it should appear as the last entry. Once your image has been added to the My Objects list, then you can easily select it and it will appear on the board. Now let's take a look at how you can add most frequently used objects such as a ruler or comments or even emojis to your favorites list.
First, search through the list of gizmos to find the one you use the most and click the heart to add it to the list. When done, they will automatically be saved to your favorites list, and you no longer have to waste time scrolling through the hundreds of gizmos to find them again because they'll all be housed in one place. As always, thanks for watching, and to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.